Today we will learn about if-else statements in Python. It's very important to know before you start programming. So first I would like to give a definition about if statement in Python. What is if statements mainly? In Python, if statement is used for decision making operations. It contains a body of code which runs only the condition given in the if statement is true. So maybe from the definition you already have a bit about if statements, and now I would like to give an example. So let's see an example. Maybe a equal to 5, b equal to 7. Here I took the two variables a and b. The value is 5 and 7. Easily we know about that. Here b is greater than a. So if b is greater than a, and for the if statements we need to end of this statement need to keep the colon. So print b is greater than a. So if I print the statement, it shows us b is greater than a. So how can I write if statement? It's a very simple example. I will write another example, might be clear, bit more clear. Maybe I want to give an example for examination. If you got 50 numbers, then you will pass in the examination, otherwise not. So how can we write number equal to integer? I can give so input, enter a number, enter a number. Okay, so now we can write if number is greater than or equal to 50, so print you passed the exam. Or you can also print congrats. So if we run this code, maybe the number is 46, so easily we know really didn't pass the exam because it's below 15. If we run this code again or write 60, what happened? Yes, you passed the exam. So how can we use the if statements in a programming? We can easily know about that for this example. From this example, so the next thing I would like to mention is elif statements. In Python, elif is if the previous condition where is not true, then come the elif statements. Maybe like that, the simple example. We can write here another example. Maybe C is 40, D is also 40. If C is greater than or maybe D. Let's see. So print D is greater than C. Here we need elif. So elif C equal to D. print both are equal. So what happened? Yes, both are equal. We can easily know about that because the value of those variables are the same. So here we can also know about what is elif statement is. Now I would like to explain about else statement. So what is else statement really, or the definition? If the statement is false, maybe the if statement is false, then optional else statement runs with contains some code for this else condition. So let's say an example. I can do these things here again. We can put here else statement. If we write if or else statement, it's come from the beginning and we need to give here, it's better to give four spaces. So else and print you failed. You failed, failed. Maybe we enter a number, maybe here 45, then it shows you failed because it's below 15. If you write 76, you passed the exam. So maybe I think for today's lesson it's enough, and I am happy to share with you with this very easy if else statements. So see you soon in the next video. Have a nice time. Bye for today.